Hi, this is Sara Abrons. I'm executive editor at Rave Publications, and I'm here at Day 2 InfoComm 2018, and I'm in the Sharp booth with Gary Baylor, who is Director of Product Management at Sharp. How are you today, Gary?
I'm doing great, Sarah. How about yourself?
I'm doing really well, and your booth looks pretty crowded, so tell me how the show's been for you so far.
It's been awesome. First day, God, we couldn't have asked for a better turnout. We have a lot of new products in the booth, and it's really been an exciting first day for us, and second day is going off almost as strong as the first day.
Okay, well, there's one thing I got to ask you about. When you were talking to Gary Kay, my boss, before the show, you hinted at something that you couldn't quite talk about yet. Can you talk about it now?
We can. Actually, a couple days ago in Taipei, there was a big show called Computex. And at that show, Microsoft made a big announcement. They announced a new category of product called Windows Collaboration Display. And Sharp, along with our majority shareholder Foxconn and Microsoft, have partnered together to bring the first Windows Collaboration Display to market later this year. And here at InfoComm, we are doing the first public demonstration of a prototype of that product, which is right against this wall over here. So what we have behind us is a prototype of the Sharp Windows Collaboration Display. This is a 70-inch model. And to give you an idea, kind of talk about what the problem is in meeting room environments. So typically in a meeting room environment, what our research and Microsoft's research has shown is the average meeting takes about 30 minutes in terms of scheduling. However, what's frustrating is it takes about 12 minutes on average to start a meeting. Having that connectivity from the individual laptop to the large screen has been a major problem. So the Windows Collaboration Display is a product that's designed to basically overcome that issue. So I'll give you an example here. And let's suppose, normal thing somebody walks into a meeting room would want to do is perhaps plug in their computer. So I'm going to go plug one in here for a minute. And this uses a USB-C connection. And with USB-C, it's going to automatically recognize that display has been connected. And here we're basically using the Windows built-in camera. The Windows Collaboration Display includes a high-resolution camera, 2 far-field microphones arrays, as well as stereo speakers. In addition to that, it seamlessly allows you to take your entire Windows experience and MS 365 to room scale. So moving from the laptop to room scale simply by plugging in. Matter of fact, if we step over here for a second, I'm going to plug this unit in. It'll automatically sense that now, and in a moment, switch over, and I'm now going to be showing the next PC to tie it in. It'll also, of course, have integrated wireless capability as well for when you don't have wires. And this is basically using the Microsoft capability here, okay, for any kind of drawing capability that you want, as well as allowing seamless integration for all of your Windows applications. One of our things that we've learned is to attend a meeting, and a meeting attendee shouldn't have to learn new software, right? It's not logical. You want to go in with the software you currently use and just take over. That's what this allows us to do. It also have built into it 4 sensors. Okay. So the sensors include a motion sensor. So perhaps this is in your meeting room. You walk into the meeting room and automatically the display turns on. It can look at your light environment. So if your light is very bright in your room, okay,
the brightness changes.
The brightness can change and raise. If you're dark, it can go. If it's dark, it can dim down, so it's not overwhelming to you. It also has a sensor for looking at the motion. Walk into the room, it turns it on. Looking at air quality, as well as temperature settings. And all of that gets fed through Azure IoT Smart Spaces, back to the cloud, and other partners of the Windows Collaboration Display can take hold, such as Steelcase and others where they work with the facility management side. So we're super excited to bring this to market, plan to launch this later this year. This is the first in a series and an extension of our current interactive display products.
Okay. Well, that's an exciting announcement, Gary.
It is. We're really super excited.
Yeah, I bet you are. Can you tell me a little bit about what else can we expect from Sharp in the next year? Any sneak peeks you can give us?
We can, okay? One of the big changes in the industry is also resolution. Can't have enough resolution. We've all seen trickery with displays, with goggles and whatnot for virtual reality in order to give three-dimensionality and depth of field to images. Sharp's approach to it is going to be 8K. We're going to lead the market in that 8K transition, and we're showing here at InfoComm the world's first 70-inch 8K Ultra HD display, which really gives you a sense of, it's like looking out a window. We're also showing our video wall solutions, and here is a 280-inch diagonal video wall.
Huge display.
It's a 4x4 based on the world's largest individual panels, 70 inches each, feeding in a direct 8K signal. So a lot of new models, and we also have our new smart signage line of products, our PMD and P&M series. So I think we'll be doing some additional videos on each of those products that will be put on your website as well.
Yeah, exactly. So if you're on our website, you can type Sharp into the search bar and see the individual product videos on all the products that they're showing and introducing here at InfoComm 2018. But thank you so much, Gary. Really appreciate your time today. And you can also find out more about the products we talked about today and products we're talking about in the other videos by going to Sharp's website online. What is that again?
That's sharpsec.com.
Okay, thanks so much, guys.